Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the turn signal / marker light that's in the front headlight of your 2012 Camry Hybrid and all other Camry models. This is going to be a 7443 dual filament amber color bulb, and it's pretty simple to get to on the passenger side. It's a little more cramped on the driver's side, especially with this hybrid model. You got the inverter converter assembly that's there. So if you have big arms, you're probably not going to be able to go in through the sides like I'm about to do. But the plug that you want is this gray one. And you're going to try to just turn this counterclockwise and pull it straight out. And that's going to give you access to that bulb. Sorry, my hand's probably in the way. An easier way to get to it that requires more work is to take the fender liner out. That's where we're filming through. But once the fender liner is out, you can easily get to both those bulbs, this outer marker light, which we did a video on, and also the one that we're doing right now, which is the turn signal / marker light. Like I say, it's a dual filament, 7443 amber in color. Pull it straight out. There's the bulb there. Now, Oxito is our go-to for LED light bulb replacements, and they offer a replacement bulb that's really nice. It does 7443 and 7440. The 7440 is a single filament. This application, you're going to want a 7443, which is a dual filament. Also, you want it in amber. So you would take your new bulb and then just do the reverse of what you just did. So grab your socket. If you're using a regular replacement bulb like this, you just simply plug it in. And then if you're using the Oxito LED bulb, you would want to stick it in and then go turn the light on to make sure it turns on. Because it's an LED bulb, it's possible to install it backwards. So you just want to make sure it works before you go to the trouble of putting it all back together. Then you just simply line it up with the hole, stick it in there, and you want to make sure that the locking tabs of the connector line up with the housing. Turn it clockwise to lock it into place. Make sure that it's seated correctly, and simply just go turn on the lights to make sure they all work. Perfect. If you have any questions, throw them in the comments. I hope the video was a help. Give it a thumbs up if it did help you. And don't forget to subscribe. Check out the link in the bio for Oxito LED lights. We'll see you in the next one.